Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very quick video for you. We're gonna do another Thredup unboxing. This is one of their rescue boxes, but this is actually my first time doing this particular rescue box. This is the 25-piece DIY t-shirt box. I've never ordered this. I've actually always been afraid to order this box. But they didn't have a lot of boxes available and I had a credit I needed to use before it expired, and I just decided to go ahead and give it a shot. I think I've watched one person unbox this before and theirs seemed okay, so hopefully I do all right. We will see. I can't remember what I paid, so let's look at our little invoice here. It was $28, so I did end up having to pay shipping, I think $5.99, because it was under the, what is it, $60 or something you have to spend, whatever it was. Anyway, I'll put on the screen what exactly I paid because I can't remember. Okay. Well, I'll probably keep this for myself. This is just a Port Authority t-shirt, so it's just like a custom print t-shirt, and it just says, you know better, you do better. So, and then it's got this guy wearing a wife beater, or just a t-shirt, whatever. Okay, I'll keep that for myself. That obviously has no value. I hope there's something in here worth selling. This is Fission. I've never heard of that. Fission, size large. That's the brand right there. And it's just a basic gray t-shirt with this like paisley print on the sleeves. I don't think that's anything. Oh, yay. Okay, this I'm excited about. This is a Rolling Stones t-shirt, size medium. I think one of my kids might try stealing this from me, but that's super cute. I know I can sell that for sure if my kid doesn't take it. Next, Kira's looking at me right now. Next is a Champion t-shirt. That's kind of cool. You know, oh, it says United States Marines, so I don't know if that has any value. Okay. Next is Cotton Heritage t-shirt, and it says Destiny. Oh, okay, so this is just like probably a team, customized for a team. It says playtestactivision.com, or maybe a company or something. I don't know. Okay, next we have a Nyx T-shirt. Oh, that's kind of cool. Size large. It's like really faded, but I think it was made to be like that, it looks like. Okay. Next we have another just, oh, this is from Graceland, the home of Elvis Presley, it says. So it's like a souvenir t-shirt from Graceland. There's that. It's kind of cute. I don't know if that has value. I don't sell a lot of t-shirts. It's not something I usually pick up because they just don't have a lot of value always. So anyway, this is a Grateful Dead t-shirt though. That is cool. It's like a tie-dye. That's awesome, actually. I might keep that. I don't know if this is a custom one. The tag is like so worn out that I don't know anything about where it came from, but it does have a lot of little moth holes in it, which is okay. With band t-shirts, I feel like that's okay. It adds to the style of the t-shirt, so. Okay, after further investigation, I know a little bit more about this t-shirt, so I wanted to include that real quick in this video. Sorry for the voiceover content, but that was just the best way to do it. So actually, after I hung this up on my rack, I realized that it is actually made worn. That's a tongue twister. So it is a made worn t-shirt, and it is supposed to have the little holes in it. It is a single stitch, and I think that the retail price was originally like $150, I want to say, somewhere around there, and it's a very rare t-shirt, and it does hold its value. So I'm very excited. I'm going to put a sold comp on this screen. I think I recently saw a sold comp around like $90, so very exciting. This item here will definitely pay for the entire box. All right, next we have a Mountain Dew t-shirt. Just says Mountain Dew on it. So, okay. I don't know, you guys. I'm not good at this kind of stuff. This just says Duff, but it's from Universal Studios. Size medium, and it just says Duff. I don't know what that's from. Must be some sort of a show or something. I'm not sure. Okay, next we have, what are you? This is Live Tell Bear Designs, Fat Bear Designs, Peace, Love, and T-shirts. This must be like an Etsy shop or something. It says, Together We Shine. This I will be keeping for myself. I love these kinds of T-shirts. I live in this kind of stuff, so that will be for me. Okay, next we have a Jameson extra large T-shirt. I don't know if that is like a brand or if it's just like the alcohol. I don't know. All right, next, this is an old lady. This is an Old Navy T-shirt, not an old lady T-shirt. It's an extra small, and it says, but baby, it's cold outside. That's cute. It's got a little tree. Okay. Next, the Ramones. We got a lot of band tees. Sweet. I will definitely sell the band tees. This is printed on a Gildan shirt, so I don't think it's vintage, and I don't think it's like an official Ramones tee, but that's okay. This is UW. Got a UW T-shirt. I only know this because I live in Washington State, so this is for the college here. All right. This is Nasty Gal. Oh, that's cool. Size large, and it's just this like sun and moon graphic. That's cool. Alrighty. They're all rolled up together. Oh, this is vintage. I can tell this is vintage. It says premium quality Sting extra large. It is a double stitch, but I can tell it's vintage. I'm gonna say this is probably 90s maybe. And it says genuine Sting uncompromised quality San Diego. I don't know what that is. So I'm not sure about that T-shirt. All right, next we have Kansas Bear. It says Kansas Bear. Tall Grass Brewing Company on the back. Okay. Next, this is a long sleeve T-shirt. And let's see, what are you? This says Crazy Shirts, or Hawaii's Original. Okay, so it's like it's from Maui. It's just a, what is that called? Souvenir T-shirt from Maui. Okay. Next, this is just a plain Gildan T-shirt, extra large, never been worn. Okay. And we have an Under Armour T-shirt. This looks like a men's, and it's a size large. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these. I will sell the band tees. The rest of them, I'll just have to look up and see if they have any value. Oh, there's another Under Armour. I might lot these together. Same size, large. Maybe I'll sell those on Facebook or something. All right, next we have a Hurley T-shirt. This is a size large. That's kind of cool. And we have a Tommy Hilfiger size large. Maybe I'll just lot all those up together. They probably came from the same person, I bet. I haven't seen any flaws on anything yet, but I'll look at them closer later, of course. Oh, and we have a Star Wars T-shirt. This is from Gib Gay. I don't know if I said that right or what that is, but look, a little cute little Star Wars guy. That's really cute. Okay. That's it. That was all that was in there. I don't know. I don't know if I'll make my money back on this box. I have no idea. I'll have to look up comps. Maybe I'll put on the screen what I think I can get from this stuff in this box. I do know there's at least a couple things I'm going to keep, and I'm going to see if my kids want a couple things from in here. So it was fun overall. Is it something I would purchase again? I don't know. I'll have to look up the comps and figure out if it is or not. I personally have had the best luck with their denim boxes. Used to be better. I feel like the last few that I've gotten haven't been as good, and I think it's because skinny jeans are out and that's all I ever get from them anymore. So I'm kind of avoiding those right now, but they're $60 box, the 25 piece women's $60 box. That one is always really good. Their shoe boxes are usually pretty decent. And then I love their bulk box, but I can never get my hands on it. I've been waiting for that one to restock, and it just sells out so quickly. So anyway, that's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.